Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, I will show you on how to pay our last payment in cash now. So we are here long time in cash now. Then now guys, we will try to check in how much our offer for today is March 28, 2026. So we will check guys on how much our offer after the payment of our last payment in cash now. So guys, just follow my screen recorder and I will teach you on how to do this. So first guys, we need to open our cash now application and then we need to do activation. So we need to log in our account. So activate, then put your mobile number registered in cash now. And then there is OTP sent to your mobile number. And then put the OTP. Then we can check how much our last payment. So as we can check guys, we have 1,635 dirham our last payment. So our interest is 52, then the early settlement discount is 16.44. So we will pay 1,634. So now guys, I will show you on how to pay via online using your credit card and your debit card, and you can pay also in the kiosk. So kiosk, it means UP machine and NT machine. We can see here in Dubai, the blue machine and the other one, the UP. So this one guys, pay online and NT machine. So as you can see, we will use now the Butim payment. So the UP machine. So click this one, repay. Then the amount is 1,634.46. After you click the UP or pay by a kiosk, you can check your Butim wallet balance and how much that one. So as we can check guys, our balance here down, pay via Butim here. So if you continue to proceed, click the proceed to pay, so it will be automatically deducted to your Butim wallet balance. So we will click this proceed. So as you can see, they will deduct 1,634.46 in our Butim wallet. So then after that one guys, so repayment submitted, payment received, and payment succeed. So we will check now how much our amount available to reloan. So as we can check, we have 1,900 in 1 month, and we have also 4,500 in 3 months, and we have also 4,500 in 6 months. But check guys, how much is the interest for 6 months is 23%. Hi guys, also for 3 months is 9% only. Then the 6 months for 4,500 is 23%. So it's your choice guys if you want to reloan this one guys. So it's easy to reloan and to pay also guys. So if you pay early guys, your credit limit will be increased, and then it will help your needs if you needs money in the near future. So and guys, if you like this video, it helped to you, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload new video, you will be updated. And guys, help to like and share to your friends is a big help in my content. So thank you for watching guys, and see you in my next vlog.